I remember when I was at school being told that the whole must be the same as the sum of the parts. What was this extra magic thing that came in when you put them together? I couldn't find an argument, but I knew in my heart that it wasn't true that the sum of the parts was the same as the whole. And I've come to see that very clearly and now know the philosophical argument, but really that's not the important thing. I think we're all aware of this. Music is an example. The bits are in themselves nothing, the notes, but the whole is something completely new that arises out of them. It's just one example, but there are many. And indeed, it's illogical to suppose that the only way to understand a thing is from the parts to the whole, because often you don't know what the part is until you know the whole to which it belongs.